up, you guys? Today's gonna be a quick little video, and first things first, I'm gonna do what I'm geeked up about most with this car. So we ended up going to get that part out, and well, I'm still waiting on the part out, but I got tons of parts. And honestly, what I'm most excited for is these. And so yeah, these are kind of hard to come by. And when we went to go check the car out, I was kind of nervous that they wouldn't even have the floor mats. So when I got there and I seen that all 4 floor mats were there, I was like, no way. So all right, we got OEM GLI. Let's do the back. It's crazy what the difference of floor mats will do. You got no floor mats, OEM floor mat. Also, what I noticed, the GLIs have these clips that actually lock the floor mat down. They twist. The GTIs do not have that, or at least mine don't. And that one vent that I have in the garage is this vent, so we can replace that too while we're at it. Yes, OEM floor mats. Pretty geeked up about this. Yeah, buddy. Slowly coming together. Man, I can't wait to start detailing this car, to be honest. Like, it's such a decent little car. And really, since we have 99% of the stuff for a 6-speed swap, I think that's gonna be the plan for this winter. I think I'm gonna 6-speed swap it. What is up, you guys? So we're doing a quick little install on the GTI today. Nothing too crazy. People swear by this product. I would never pay what they charge for this kit, but it happened to come with the part out that we just bought, so I'm gonna use it. I figure, why not? I want to say the hold downs and the bracket is like $100, and then these red top coil packs, they go for anywhere from $20 to $40 a piece. I don't know exact numbers, but I know this whole entire kit will average you like $200. It's kind of crazy. So that's almost half of what I paid for the entire part out. So this alone is almost worth it. So today we're going to be installing them on the GTI. It's kind of tucked away in the corner, so I'm kind of dealing with some space. But yeah, we're gonna remove this cover and pop our old coils off and install the new ones. I personally don't have any issues with my OEM coil packs. Even my tuner said that they're fine. I mean, I'm not running like 500 horsepower, but these are an upgrade. I think they're Audi R8 coil packs. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I want to say they are Audi R8, if not just 2.0. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. I just know they're upgrades, as you would call them. So why not put them in if I have them already? I mean, I could sell them and make $100 or whatever on the whole kit, but it's like, it's not even really worth it. So it's worth actually upgrading the car that is my upgraded car, I guess. So I say we get to it. All right, so removing of the cover. So I'm hoping, I don't think this cover is actually gonna work with the new hold downs, but hopefully I can get it to sit on there. We'll see, because I love the way the cover looks. I mean, if I can't run it, then it's not really gonna hurt my feelings, I suppose. Also, they say to remove your battery before removing the coil pack plugs, but I've never had an issue. And there goes another one. These things are notorious for breaking. Out of my 4, I have 3 broken now. So that's great. I've never had an issue with them coming off. It would be safe to zip tie them, but like I said, I've never really had an issue. So here's a comparison of the lengths. So they are a little longer. Yeah. Removing of the stock coil packs. All right. Now we put this ugly plate on. Assuming we put these in. You can hear them pop. Alright. Now these ugly ducklings. It's literally, it's so ugly because it's 3 different kinds of reds right there. Like if it was all one red, it wouldn't look half as bad. But you got anodized red on aluminum, then you got some powder coated wrinkle red on the cover, and then the coil packs look like tornado red almost. Okay. Now we zip these things down. Pretty straightforward, I suppose. That's all she wrote. Simple install, I suppose. All right, let's see if this thing will start up. Alright, so now that we know it starts, it runs, everything's fine. Now let's see if the engine cover still fits. This is what I'm really hoping for. And oh, it will. Yes. Alright, let's get the screwdriver. Also, since the part out came with the black filter, I'm about to wash this thing out, and then we're going to be swapping this out for the black boy, so we can get rid of that red filter. All right, just swapped out the filters, and to me, this looks way better. I mean, I don't know, it's just a clean look. It literally just looks just super clean. The only thing I wish I had was a battery cover, like the top, and then it would be super clean. Otherwise, yep. So red top coil packs are installed, can't even see them, and filter switched. All right, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's upgrade to the GTI and a part replacement for the GLI. I will be putting the product description and link down below. Everything can be sourced at ECS Tuning. I know there's a lot of hate against ECS Tuning, but they are the ones that supply the bracket and the hold downs. You can buy them coil packs from anywhere else, FCP, Euro Tuning, probably eBay, wherever, but the bracket and the hold downs are produced by ECS Tuning. So seems like a quality product though. So yeah, I will put the link in the description below. I figure I'd just film it, something short, small, little free upgrade. Well, not really free because I had to pay for the part out, but a little upgrade to the GTI and an upgrade for the GLI. Not an upgrade, but missing floor mats, I guess, is an upgrade. But yeah, figured out just show you guys upgrading coil packs in your 1.8 turbos. So I don't know what's gonna bring next video. Like I said, we got a bunch of parts that we need to go through, post up for sale, and install on the GLI. I do want to bring the GLI in here, so I need to get my lawnmower out and tow that thing into the space where I'm standing, and then we can get started on the front end. And yeah, so I will catch you guys on the next episode. Thanks for subscribing, thank you for commenting, thank you for liking. It helps everything, helps all the algorithms and whatever you want to call it. But yeah, appreciate all the support, and I will catch you guys in the next video.